guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is Sunday, and this, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, is gonna be my Sunday reset vlog. So pretty much it's been a rough week, rough Saturday because I wasn't here yesterday, as you guys will see from the previous video. I wasn't here yesterday, so pretty much I got to do nothing for myself. So today is gonna be kind of like preparing for the week ahead, resetting the mind, body, and soul. So the first thing on the agenda for today is gonna be church. So we can't do anything. We have to, reset the soul, the mind for the week. So first things first is church. So we're gonna get ready for church right now, and then I'll see you guys when I'm ready. So yeah, I'm gonna now go on, but the hair wants to wash and stuff, so don't mind that. But anyways, I'm ready for church. So it's Taylor's birthday today, and she wanted us to wear blue, so I got on my blue. So
within us, take from us anything and everything that would hinder us from being able to fully participate in this holy sacrament. Receive this assurance, my sisters and brothers. When we confess our sins, God is faithful and God is just, and He will forgive us. So if there are unconfessed sins in your life, ask God to forgive you.
hi guys, so it is later on in the day. I'm about to go wash my hair. Yeah, finally gonna wash the hair. So I'm gonna start using some new products. I'm gonna see, try it out in my hair and all of that. So just want to show you guys and all of that. So I'm gonna be trying the Cream of Nature Pure Honey brand. They have different ones, but I'm gonna be using the Pure Honey one. So this is a shampoo, and we got a conditioner, and we also have the hair mask. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying these out and see how that works for my hair. My hair is dry, very, very dry and brittle right now. And see the inside, I was like, what is that? It's not cute. So yes, I'm gonna shower and get that done, and I'll see you guys in a bit. facial hurts. All right, guys, so here is done. As I said, it's not too neat and all, but guys, see, it up a lot. Anyways, oh well, I just wanted my hair to be done so that I don't have to necessarily catch it up and it look ugly, you know. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna be doing my toes because I don't necessarily paint these, so I'm gonna paint my toes because they're ugly right now, atrociously ugly. And then I'm gonna clean up my bed and see if I can fold these clothes right here. So these clothes right here needs to be folded. My toes need to be done. Like, ew, what are those? So yes, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna pack for school. And I already ironed today. No, this week is the blue week, so I just need to sort out everything is done. So that should be Friday. I think this is Monday, and the thing for this is not there, so I have to find what should be there. I'll probably just wear this gray thing with it. So 1, 2, 3. That has a bottom. Yeah, 3. This don't have any bottom, so I need to find, oh yes, I have a pants in here so for it. So yeah, and then that 5. So I have 5 suits, so I'm good. So I just need to pack my bag and take out the things for tomorrow. So yeah. All right, guys, so this is the blue that I'll be using. It's the, oh well, kind of the only blue I have. The other one is like blue green, so I'm gonna use this one. So yeah. And guys, the toes are now blue. So yeah, I just put some clear thing on my like top coat. See my wipe here on my nail, just so it looks shiny. Yeah. So I'm gonna start off by packing my bag. Yeah, so I need to pack that. Put your back right here. So this is my school bag. I have quite a lot of rubbish and stuff in it, so I'm just gonna like take out the things that aren't supposed to be in it. Bonus slide. And then where are you moving? Anyways, so I'm gonna take out the stuff that don't belong in it and then put in the things that do belong in it.